How to fix SIM card not working on Android. What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can fix your SIM card with no service or if it's not working. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your settings. Once you open it up, just head over to the connections. And from connections, you're going to have to find your mobile networks. Then here you'll find the settings called VoLTE calls. Make sure that both of this is turned on for your SIMs. If you have two SIMs, then you'll find the network mode. Just go ahead and tap on it and then set this to the lowest point. And then from here, we'll leave it as it is for a few seconds and then again turn it up to the highest settings. And after this, go to access point names, and if there are any other available access point names, you can choose it from them. So once all of this is done, you're going to have to head over to the management settings here, and under here you'll find reset. Tap on it. Now you're going to have to reset your mobile network settings and then tap on reset. After this is done, just give your phone a quick restart and it should be working. But if it's still not working, then in that case, all you have to do is simply go ahead and take out your SIM card tray and then put it back again. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.